Hello and welcome to the Enduring Gardener. Not much room in here. I've been transplanting some of my seedlings into bigger pots because roots were starting to appear at the bottom of the pot, suggesting they're ready to be moved. Now it's early morning and that's the best time to be doing watering in the greenhouse rather than late at night, because a lot of plants don't like going to bed with wet feet, and if it's nice and wet when the slugs are out, it makes it easier for them to move around, and everything's getting a good soaking with this fine spray which puts a good volume of water on the seeds and plants. It's on this coiled hose which allows me to get into the corners of the greenhouse and to do the pots around it outside. It's at this time of year I realise I've got way too many seeds on the go, but there will be plenty of people looking for some little tomatoes, peppers and the like around here. So I can keep the bird bath topped up readily as well, and do any of the pots that might need, or plants around the greenhouse, because let's face it, we haven't had much rain. And there's quite a lot going on in the garden at the moment. The wisteria is coming into its own. The Clematis montana has been out a week or so now and it's looking amazing. So let's take a quick look around. So that's all from the Enduring Gardener today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you next week.